Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is actually a recreation of a Blair St. Clair makeup look. Now, I got to see Blair St. Clair back in February, I think it was? No, March. Oh, wow. So I got to see Blair back in March, and she's just a really sweet queen. She really is. She's really talented. And the night I saw her, she got in from the airport and then she completely lost her luggage and was able to come up with a complete look really quickly and was able to do a look like this. Which, first of all, A plus to her because she looked incredible. She looked stunning. I was like, she's flawless. She's quite honestly like flawless in person. I'm like, yeah, people out here using Facetune all the time, and she don't even need it. Like, she looks like she has a Facetune face. She's that pretty. But she had a look that was similar to this, not exactly. I did it for my eye shape. She does it for hers. Plus, she shaves all parts of her brows so she can like extend out. And I'm like, I'm not gonna do that for one video. But the reason I'm recreating this look from Blair is because Blair is actually one of my favorite queens. I don't really talk about my favorite drag race queens. I can't speak today. Just because like it's a thing that a lot of people are like, oh yeah, I like this one. Like, this is a big thing. Like I like a lot of the queens, but Blair is one of my like hidden favorites, I guess I could say. Um, she's someone who's really talented, really humble, and she and I feel like I was able to connect with her because I don't think I've really mentioned it on this channel, but I, I am a survivor of sexual assault, rape. That's it. Um, Whenever she talked about her experience on her season, I was crying because it gave me an opportunity feeling like, okay, I'm not alone. And honestly, I never thought I was going to have the chance to actually meet her and tell her thank you for that. Just helping me feel like I wasn't alone. And whenever I met her, I was lucky to have like a few moments before they started sending other people up. And I told her, and I thanked her, and I was able to hug her. And I just want to say, Blair, if you're watching this, again, thank you. You honestly are such a beautiful being, and I'm sorry that happened to you. And to any of you out there that are watching this and you're like, I've had a similar experience, trust me, you are not alone. None of us are. Sorry. Just remember that. Sometimes the people you look up to can have a very similar experience. I know for me it's Blair, for me it's also Gaga, a lot of other people. And I look up to them, I'm just like, I'm sorry you had to go through that, but even for them, I'm like, you're not alone. So, just putting that out there, that's one of the reasons I truly do love Blair, is because it's not something easy. And also, I'm really proud of Blair with how far she's come with her sobriety and how she has now been so good. And I just really appreciate her. I know this intro is like long and everything, but I'm sorry, I just needed to get that stuff out there. Um, if you do want to see this look, you can continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my brows and primed and set my lid. And today I used the NYX primer and I set with Titan from the Alien palette. We're using the Alien palette. The first shade I'm going to dip into is Abduction. By the way, I did forget to mention it in this version because this is my second try. This is going to be a reinterpretation of her look for my eye shape, since she and I have very different eyes. I do want to play out the colors like she did. So next we're going to go into Flying Saucer. So next we're going to go into flying saucer, like I said. Real quickly, just blending. So with a very light hand, I'm going to dip into Ghost OG to help define that. So very lightly, I'm going to dip into Black Hole, which is right there, just to help deepen the outer third and partially wing it out. Okay, so what I did was I also just marked this little area in here because Blair did have a slight wing back in, so whenever I do go back in here and cut my crease, I'm going to leave this area available. This is what I was going for, so on this side I'm going to clean that up whenever I do my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Liquid Cat suit in Camelback and just reshape this area in here to redefine everything. So now on the lid, I'm going to retake Ghost OG, place that over here, and then over here I'm going to take Martian Soil. I'm an idiot, she actually had Moonrock or UFO. I think it was Moonrock. I will say I realized it's a combination of Abduction and Ghost OG, so I'm going to do this eye off camera. We're going to be right back with the full face on as well. Okay, so let's get back to the eyes. By the way, love this highlighter combo. Amrezi and Crystal High from Wet n Wild. I'm beaming. Anyway, back to the eyes. So I'm going to take the same colors I used up top and then just smoke them out below. Okay, so now for the inner corner, I'm actually going to dip into Pluto. And for the waterline, I'm just going to run a black in the waterline. Okay, now we're going to move on to the lips. For lipstick today, we're going to have a fun combination. First, I'm going to go in with Hudson by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So not even going to lie, this is basically the exact color that I think she wore. But we're going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to take a little bit of Can't Relate by Jeffree Star and use that in the center for a little highlight. Okay, so that's the right color, but she also had a gloss on, so I'm going to take, this is Vacray by Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh, I think I got the exact right combo. Well then, how's that happen? Okay, so I'm going to let down my hair, set my face real quick with some setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I love how this turned out. I honestly was feeling a little scared with the eyes because they weren't working as planned originally. But once I figured out that little issue, I feel like I got everything right. Like, even the right tone of highlighter, which I'm loving. And yeah, hold on, this one, there we go. I think that's what I'm used to. I really do love how this turned out. I'm gonna get emotional. Meeting Blair was such a nice experience. Like, she's one of the nicest queens out there. Um, if you have a chance, go see her. Go give her your tips. She's incredible. And I'm so glad I was able to meet her and talk with her for like less than 30 seconds. It was like 10 seconds. But still, it was something. So, yeah. So, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me be me. And just enjoying this look. Because is it exactly the same? No, but it's the right shape for my eyes. And that's what I was gonna do. Originally I was gonna replicate her full look, but I'm like, yeah, no, she saves off like this part of her brow and goes up, and I won't do that for one video. So, yeah. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.